4C is a H2020 project that started in 2018. Worldwide and in Europe, natural or man-made hazards are strongly impacting on the citizens' safety and generating increasing economic losses year by year. The transport system is particularly sensitive and critical assets are extremely fragile in the face of unanticipated events. Infrastructure managers and operators have to ensure that transport assets and services function continually and safely against increasing extreme events, which will require important investment to upgrade them in order to improve their resilience. 4C prioritize the most disruptive hazards impacting on the transport network, which are extreme weather events, mainly flooding and heavy rainfalls, snow and wind, landslide, earthquakes, and man-made hazards, intentional and accidental, addressing their impact on the transport assets, bridges, channels, pavement slopes, and also terminals, on the citizens and freight and cascade effects affecting the transport system, mainly road, rail, multimodal, and transport hubs. The overall objective of 4C is to provide cost-effective and reliable tools to improve resilience of transport infrastructure, as the ability to reduce the magnitude and the duration of these disruptive events. 4C addresses through new innovative technologies, methodologies, and resilience schemes the effectiveness of resilient measures to improve the ability to anticipate, absorb, adapt to, and rapidly recover from a potentially disruptive event. The idea of developing a toolkit like this is to provide an efficient and reliable resilience schemes with short, medium, and long-term adaptation plans based on performance-based risk assessment framework, update modeling simulations, solutions libraries, and cost-benefit analysis, integrating the data acquisition and situational awareness systems, embedding methodology to monetize resilience for investment decisions, thus enabling the integration of long-term resilience capability into transport infrastructure, and integrating response, emergency, and transport system recovery strategy. One of the actual achievements already reached in the project is the development performance-based approach, implementing resilience schemes for transport infrastructures, and the definition of level of service and resilience metrics and targets, which are being used as a baseline to select and implement adaptation measures. It takes into account legal, functional, operational, and maintenance aspects from a social, political, and economic perspective. Another achievement is the data acquisition methodology, incorporating satellite and terrestrial sensor technologies with existing environmental or asset telemetry data, an intelligent transport disruption alerting capability covering the macro scale, and the asset scale level, which is a gold point in 4C. Some designs have also been developed, such as new improved permeable asphalt pavements, new slope stabilization protection systems, and some adaptation strategies from the current drainage system. There are also some innovative engineering of links interconnection based on rerouting strategies and shift to alternative modes, including redesign of critical paths to incorporate flexible capability design alternatives and extreme demand adaptability measures to be incorporated in the most critical communication links to allow a smooth transfer from one mode to another in case of extreme disruption in the transport network. One of the main focus is the validation and demonstration that is going to be developed in some European Union representative case studies. These case studies cover different risk scenarios: landslide, flooding, snow, earthquakes, wind, and man-made hazards, different transport sectors, railway, road, multimodal, and transport hubs, different scales from the asset to the network, and also different geographical locations, including Italy, Portugal, Spain, UK, and Germany. Regarding the activities to be performed next, particularly focusing on the mid to long-term impact of the project, we can say that exploitation activities, standardization, roadmap, and feedback activities with the stakeholders reference group will pave the way from the next future. Thanks for your attention, and please take a look to the YouTube link for a better understanding of the 4C H2020 project. Thank you very much.